Just want to make a short review on this Equinox scissors. I want to just show you a little bit about it. I'm going to do an unboxing. I'm going to show you how it cuts, and definitely fantastic scissors. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe. Let's get to the video. What I have for you here today is a scissors by Equinox. I did purchase this myself. They did not send me this, just to be clear and transparent. So I was looking for a pair of hair cutting scissors, and I found this professional brand scissors that came in a couple of days, and I just want to show you what it looks like in my first impressions about the scissors. So let's take it out of the package. And it does say on the package when you first receive it, on the back here it says it has a little bit of oil on it, so we want to just clean off some of the oil. So just get a basic rag and just wipe it down, some kind of rag, and just get everything cleaned off. That's what it says to do. And my impressions are it's a very nice quality scissors. What I like about this scissors, and I wanted to show you this, has an adjustable screw here. So what this does is adjust the intensity of the actual action when you're moving the scissors up and down. So I like that. I find that quite nice. It fits in the fingers really nicely. It fits very, very comfortable in your hands. You can see it's branded right here on the actual scissors. And this is the notch right here. And you can just, and you tighten this up, it actually makes it a little bit tighter. It might even cut a little bit sharper or a little bit, depending on the cutting. I think this is maybe an adjustable for the actual cut possibly, or just for the actual feeling of the hand, how scissors feel in your hand. You can make it looser, and then scissors just moves very easily, or you can make it tighter. So depending on the application on the actual scissors itself. Again, very well made, all stainless steel construction. Definitely if you're looking to cut your own hair or do some trimming, or if you're a professional stylist, I think this definitely could be for you. I'm just going to give you an example on a piece of paper to show you real quickly, to show you the sharpness of this item. You can see that very, very sharp. Nice and straight. Does a really nice job. It feels really comfortable on the hands. Total length of this is 6.5 inches across, as you can see here. Made very nicely, and I definitely highly recommend this scissors. Very reasonable, and it came in a couple of days, and I did purchase this myself. I just want to make a quick video. Hope it brought you some value, and I hope it helped you make a decision. Thanks for watching.